Welcome back to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now, and today is fight night, June 12th. You know, Marvin Vettori is coming in for the second time against Israel Adesanya. We got Nate Diaz making his return to the ring against Leon Edwards after that bad eye poke, but you know, he deserves to be where he is right now. It's really good fight card, and guess what we're making?
So today we're making fried cheese curds. Today we're making fried cheese curds and a nice Louis foam. We're gonna finish up with some smoked salt, some chili. Just wait to see what we got for you today.
Grab a drink and let's start cooking.
Let's make our tempura. First we're gonna add 1 egg white. We're gonna aerate with a whisk until we get frothy. We have carbonated water here with ice cubes chilled, just so it doesn't stick to the flour. Add that in. Just add a half cup of all-purpose flour. Just use chopsticks to mix. We don't want to overwork it too much with a whisk because we don't want to form too much gluten. We're just going to add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Mix that in. Just a little more of the soda water here. A couple ice cubes for safe measure. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There's a tempura.
I have some seasoned flour here, which we're gonna dunk the cheese curds into before they go into the tempura. This is just gonna allow the tempura to actually stick to the curd. In the seasoned flour, I have chili powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of MSG, aka passion. Oh yeah, a little pinch of salt to balance it all out. Just gonna dump our curds into the flour, and we're gonna go fry them. Just give a little mixy, wixky. It's fine.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Right, shake these guys off. Chill our tempura. Drop them in. Do a little shake. Just gonna fry so they're golden brown, crispy. Our cheese curds just came out of the fryer. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna finish these guys off with a little bit of lemon zest, a little bit of brightness, some fresh chives. We'll go on that foam too. And why wouldn't you garnish cheese with more cheese? Come on, let's do it. Got some fresh Perdano right here. Oh yeah. Blast off a little bit of smoked mold, and there you have it, fried cheese curds.
All right, let's dig in.
Man, look at this.
Foam.
Oh wow.
Mmm.
Oh man, dirty.
Hope you're not lactose intolerant. He is. Let's go, Izzy. I hope you eat more of him. These are really good, super easy to make. Y'all can make them right now. Take you 20 minutes. Super easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, straight up man, straight up. Well, we gotta get to this fight, so subscribe, like our videos, and thanks for watching.
Peace.